Hello, my dear contest holder. First of all, take my greetings. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh. This video is just for you because in this video I will discuss your coaching website and I have downloaded your PDF file where you given the information of your website and logo. Also in this contest I have submitted total of 7 entries and I hope you will see my entries. So let's click one of the okay. I click on this and I have given the main link of the website in each of my entry so that you can see the website directly. And I click the your website link here and open link in new tab. And here your website, only design and demo content. Wait, I press shift and F5 button for the cache or recognition. Yeah, now all are fine. So you just change the web design and the website. I will change the whole website according to your content and logo with your requirements. I have submitted all the excellent website in your contest so that your customer and follower will be amazed to see them, and this design are eye-catching. So please check the websites of each of my entries. You just choose the website from my entry and let me know so that I can develop your website according to your content and logo for you. So in this short video I want to end by saying that if you want to know about my skill and about my qualification, you just search typing by Google search engine BDOA Foundation and now enter. Here you can see all of my project. Here is the video, all of my project and images. Also you can see all of my project on my YouTube channel. Hello sir, welcome to the and
Hi guys.
this is my client from Malaysia. So you can develop your website with me without any intention because I know all the skill to develop your website. So bye bye.